Replit AI is one of the most exciting new tools that just hit the market, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've been wondering whether Replit AI lives up to the hype, stick around till the end because I've got the answers you need. And I'll let you know how you can try it for free. Just check the first link below. Replit AI has just been released, and it's quickly gaining attention for its unique blend of features that make coding, learning, and automating tasks easier than ever. But is it worth your time? Let's dive into what makes it stand out. First off, Replit AI is designed for developers and creators of all kinds, especially those who want to integrate AI into their coding workflows. Unlike traditional coding platforms, Replit AI leverages machine learning to assist you in real time with writing code, troubleshooting, and even generating entire projects from scratch. This makes it especially useful for beginners, but also for experienced developers who need to speed up their process without compromising quality. One of the key features is its ability to help with debugging. If you've ever struggled with that frustrating error message that you can't quite figure out, Replit AI offers real-time suggestions that help you fix bugs faster than you would on your own. The AI doesn't just point out where things are wrong, it can suggest improvements or even offer alternate solutions. This reduces the time spent fixing errors and gives you more room to focus on building your projects. Next, Replit AI integrates seamlessly with its collaborative features. If you're working in a team or just want to get feedback on your code, the AI can help here too. It assists in understanding and navigating your teammates' code, suggesting optimizations, and even providing clear documentation. The ability to work together in real time while having AI as a teammate can really boost productivity. The platform is also incredibly user-friendly. If you've ever been overwhelmed by the complexity of other developer tools, you'll appreciate Replit AI's intuitive design. The UI is clean, and getting started doesn't require any advanced setup. Just sign up and dive right in. Plus, if you're new to coding or a particular language, Replit AI can guide you through the learning curve by suggesting tutorials, courses, or even just explaining what the code you're writing actually does. Another major advantage is the cloud-based environment. You don't need to worry about installing software or managing servers. Everything you need is available directly from your browser, which means you can access your projects from anywhere. This is especially helpful if you're constantly on the go or prefer to switch between devices. Replit AI also supports a wide variety of programming languages, making it a versatile tool for many types of developers. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, Ruby, or another language, Replit AI adapts to your workflow, providing context-aware suggestions and automating tasks in ways that traditional platforms simply can't match. And finally, the pricing. The best part? You can try Replit AI for free right now. While it does offer premium features, you don't have to pay anything upfront to experience its core functionality. So, if you're on the fence, there's absolutely no risk in giving it a shot. By the way, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've also got my recommended software in the description below. If you're serious about taking your coding and digital projects to the next level, I highly recommend checking them out. But for now, Replit AI is a solid contender in the space and definitely worth trying. Remember, Replit AI is just one of many tools out there, but its ease of use, collaborative features, and real-time AI assistance make it a game changer for both beginners and advanced developers. Don't forget to try it for free through the link below and let me know your thoughts.